So ye mansam no emu ana se ye kwa kogina Dr. Hilla Limann Technical University ye no wa mensi no emu na ebra so sa adesuafo ho no no woro mo tron sohwe na ye VRA ni NEDCo adwumefo wo kyeremu a yade ese suku no de ye aban no ana se adwumekwa hwa nwode de wonsam so de ka 2.2 million Ghana cedis nti ne ya adesuafo aso aye hia wo kyeron sohwe no wakotwa nkane enu mani mfifirete wo mo no enya agrokra
Volta River Authority Northern Electricity Distribution Company, VRA NEDCo, Upper West Regions Area Manager, Engineer Francis Zemiso, first painted the debt situation office outfit to power generators and transmitters and why the need to embark on the revenue mobilization drive.
VRA NEDCo in general, customers owe us about 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. We owe the power generators, that is mainstream VRA, 1.6 billion Ghana cedis, and then the transmitters, which is NEDCo, we owe them 481 million Ghana cedis. The department, which is VRA NEDCo, need 120 million Ghana cedis to make power available to our customers. As we speak, we are able to collect only 85 million Ghana cedis from our customers monthly. And currently, we have a deficit of 35 million cedis every month. And if we don't work on this, it means the business will come to a halt.
Consumers of electricity in the Upper West area owed VRA NEDCo staggering amount of 107 million Ghana cedis. 82 million of the amount is owed by the ministries, departments, municipal and district assemblies, and agencies, while the rest is owed by domestic consumers. The first institution to be disconnected was Dr. Hilla Limann Technical University. They owed VRA NEDCo an amount of 2.2 million Ghana cedis. After a current meeting with authorities of the university, it however failed to yield the desired results, resulting in the disconnection.
So you have indicated already, they have disconnected the university, power supply to the university. We are now continuing with the negotiation. We have seen commitment on their part to pay substantial amount, but we haven't reached that negotiation or agreement yet. When we are done with that, they also promised to pay some amount today. When we take the check and we have agreed on the payment plan, we will reconnect them.
Writing examination, whilst others were holding lectures. It therefore brought to a halt activities at the university. The affected students are calling for help.
We just had a light out and we are struggling because the weather is warm and we need light to power the fans for us so we can have a conducive environment to learn.
Maybe if we enter the class, you will not feel comfortable. Besides, people are writing exams, so inside there it will be very hot. Imagine they put a difficult paper in front of you with a warm environment. You know, you are not going to feel it right. So actually it's affecting us, but okay, we are praying to God that maybe whatever the problem might be, it should be settled, and anybody that can help to sustain their lives, and then it will be stable for us, and we'll be very grateful.
The One Nation Training College and the High Court were next to be disconnected. They collectively owed 41,000 Ghana cedis.
The High Court is under disconnection. There's no light there. We've disconnected them because they owe 15,000. And the 15,000, you can see their current bill is not that big. So it means that they've accumulated over the years. And that is major reason why we are disconnected. Actually, this exercise, we are collecting everything.
The Simon Dieudonné Dombo University for Business and Integrated Development Studies, SDDUBIS, National Jan Ahmadiyya College of Education, and the Warner's Palace had a slack as their disconnections were postponed.
UBIS owe 8.8 million Ghana cedis, but there's a letter from the Ministry of Energy, Ministry of Education, directing us to directing that they are going to pay all their bills effective 2021. And after 2021, all other bills that comes, they should pay. And for that, they are doing the needful. The bill they owe now is 145,000, which they are preparing to pay. They were even in the process of issuing a check before we left there. They are waiting for the Chancellor to sign his portion, then they can issue that amount, 145,000. One Palace owes 61,000 cedis, and per the directive, the disassembly is supposed to make payment to that effect. But per our records, for close to 2 years, no payment have been made. So we are engaging, and we believe that something good will come out from our engagement.
For now, VRA NEDCo is saying that the exercise is about revenue mobilization, but if the customers fail to pay up, it is there, they will be disconnected. Reporting for Joy News, Rafiq Salam. Wow.